Ocean protocol on the daily chart. We had a nice move to the upside. Now I want to observe this move. When it got up above that 200 moving average on the daily chart, starts pulling back. This is the area I like to first do a little bit of work on and see there are some repeatable patterns on this chart that we can take advantage of. We're looking at this pullback right here. This is a symbolic support that we could use using that pivot high, pivot low, pivot high. That's the first price relationship. Over here, I found another one using that pivot high, pivot low, pivot high. That would be the second. Now I can also use Fibonacci retracements, clicking from this pivot low to pivot high. When I make this pull, I also have a 786 retracement that is above that cluster symbolic support that we just talked about. Now, I did not catch this move. I did not anticipate this pullback, and now we're up in this area. There's nothing for me to do. I need to look for the next set of pullbacks. The next set of pullbacks, they're also in the same amount of dollar amount like the previous pullbacks that we had. So I will project it to this new recent high to see if I can start pulling back from that area. And I can also use this particular pullback right here, that pivot high, pivot low, pivot high. We want to take a quick look at the history of this chart, looking for repeatable patterns. Now, I just also made another video on the graph, and this is the reason why it was important for me to anticipate this pullback. When price slices up above that 200 moving average on the daily chart, I don't want to be chasing here. I'm looking for the next pullback, a pullback that is similar to other pullbacks in the history of this chart. And that's how we find potential long setups with high probability. If you'd like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now, hit that notification button. We go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area, and I'll talk to you soon.